Open your browser, go to the GoogieHost website. Click on Sign In. Enter your registered email and password. Click on Login. After logging in, you will be redirected to the Client Area dashboard. In the top menu of the dashboard, you will see the Support option. Click on Support. In the Support menu, click on Tickets. Here you will find the list of all your tickets. On this page, you can see previously raised tickets, current/open tickets, ticket status, and replies. You can click on any ticket to view the full conversation and details. Now you can easily track all your support tickets. If you face any issue related to GoogieHost, you can directly raise a support ticket. To raise a support ticket, simply go to the homepage and look for the Open Ticket option. Our professional technical and sales teams will review your request and provide you with a proper solution as quickly as possible. I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you. If you have found this helpful, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel.